How to delete Gmail account permanently in 2023. Hello everyone. Welcome back to ProTech Tutor. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of permanently deleting a Gmail account on your mobile devices. First of all, you need to open Gmail app on your mobile devices. Make sure sign into the Gmail account you want to delete. Then go to your Gmail profile icon located on the top right corner of screen. Now, tap on Manage your Google account. Then from here, go to Data and Privacy section. Scroll down until you find the option Delete your Google account. Just click on it. Now, you are required to enter your password. Once you're done, click on Next. Before you deleting your account, you can download your data here. Make sure you read the terms carefully. There's also showing what content that are affected by your deletion. After that, simply give check mark on the bottom here. Once you tick on this, it means that you agree to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. Now, then tap on Delete Account. It will redirect you to this browser. As you can see in here, your Google account and its data have been deleted. But if you change your mind, then you can recover your account by clicking this. That's it for this video. It's a pretty simple process. I hope this tutorial can help you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.